If you look at this math expression 15 minus 5 times 15 minus 5 in parentheses, and your brain instantly tells you the answer is 100. Stop right there. You've just fallen into one of the biggest mathematical traps on the internet.
What?
Today, we're breaking down why so many people get this exact problem wrong and how to make sure you solve it the right way. Every single time. Let's look at how most people approach this problem when they make a mistake. They see 15 minus 5 right at the very beginning, and their brain automatically groups it together. First, they take 15 minus 5, which equals 10. Then, they look inside the parentheses and solve 15 minus 5, which also equals 10. Finally, they multiply those two 10s together. 10 times 10, which leaves them with 100. It feels smooth, it feels natural, and it looks completely logical. But in mathematics, doing that subtraction at the beginning breaks the fundamental rules of arithmetic. To solve this correctly, we have to strictly follow the order of operations, known as PEMDAS or BODMAS. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, solve from left to right. Addition and subtraction, solve from left to right. Here's the secret. A number sitting right next to a parenthesis, like 5 open parenthesis 10, means multiplication. And according to PEMDAS, multiplication must happen before subtraction. So, let's apply PEMDAS step by step to our original expression. 15 minus 5 times 15 minus 5 in parentheses. Step 1. Solve inside the parentheses. Parentheses come first. So, we calculate 15 minus 5 inside the brackets. 15 minus 5 equals 10. Now, rewrite the problem with 10 inside the parentheses. 15 minus 5 times 10. Step 2. Multiply before you subtract. Now we have subtraction and multiplication left. Multiplication always wins the priority battle. So, we multiply 5 times 10, which equals 50. Now our equation becomes clean and simple. 15 minus 50. Step 3. Final subtraction. Now just subtract. 15 minus 50 leaves us with negative 35. So, the true mathematically correct answer is negative 35. Now, before you go, let's look at one more classic problem that trips up millions of people online. 9 minus 9 divided by 9 minus 9. If you solve this left to right, here's the trap most people fall into. First, 9 minus 9 is 0. Then 0 divided by 9 is 0. And finally, 0 minus 9 leaves you with negative 9. It sounds right at first, doesn't it? But remember our rule, division always comes before subtraction. So let's fix it. First, isolate the division in the middle, 9 divided by 9, which equals 1. Now, rewrite the equation. 9 minus 1 minus 9. Now we just solve left to right. First, 9 minus 1 gives us 8. Then 8 minus 9 leaves us with negative 1. So the real answer isn't negative 9. It's negative 1. Now that you've mastered both of these traps, let's see if you can handle this bonus challenge without making a single mistake. 20 minus 4 times 10 minus 6 in parentheses. Pause the video, apply the order of operations, and drop your answer in the comments right now. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another math challenge. I'll see you in the next one.